What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all boys. So today, you feel me? We in the big cat as always. You know, so we got a POV video that I'm finna make for y'all today. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all are tuned in whenever I drop more videos. You feel me? More bangers like this one. And shit, we gonna go ahead and get into the video. Oh, you feel me? So first we in sport mode. We gonna go ahead and cut traction off, and we gonna go ahead and get active. You feel me? Nice sunny day outside today too. You feel me? Let's see, what should I do? There ain't no car behind me, is it? That's how we gonna start that bitch off, just like that. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt on too for y'all boys. Damn, it seems like some of that dust and shit got in my eye. Yes, sir. Let's see. I'm gonna make a left because the trenches is to the right, and I ain't trying to be in the trenches today. I know that camera mount be bouncing. We're gonna go ahead and make a right, you feel me? That's how you fence tear that hoe all the way down the motherfucking street, nigga. Stop playing with me, boy. There's still some shit in my eye. God damn. If y'all come from a scat to a cat bit, I'm telling you, like, sliding, that junk is crazy. Like, you can actually, like, I don't know. You can actually, like, drift. And the supercharger make everything way better. I'm talking about, that bitch be crying like we putting belt to ass. We gonna make another left, you feel me? figure out what way should I go. Fuck that, I'm gonna make a left, cause there's a big ass pothole over there. Then we're gonna make a motherfucking right. And we gotta watch this hill to make sure ain't no car coming up and we good. I'm low-key mad, y'all, because I literally like made a POV video probably like an hour ago, and the whole, I don't know what the fuck happened to the damn video, bro. I smell that rubber. Alabama do have some terrible roads, y'all. So that's why I'm driving slow right here. Got a stop sign. Let's see. We good. Damn, what the fuck is that? A crater in the ground. Y'all got to do better with these roads, bro. Still rolling. I ain't waiting on that motherfucking gas, this semi truck. Fuck that. Then we're gonna take them corners. Also, y'all get y'all car lowered. Y'all will not be unsatisfied. I'm talking about it make your car feel way more, I don't know. It don't feel as, it can turn way better, most definitely, for a fact. A proven fact. It's gonna turn way better. We taking that hoe on everything, boy. Stop playing. Big Hellcat, nigga. What that boy said, I'm driving this bitch like I want to kill myself. I'm just playing though. I know how to drive. I'm a good driver. I never been in an accident before. Oh shit. They been want to come up out the ground. There go the look. People thinking I'm a robot. I need to go ahead and get my hair cut. That was a clean little RT right there. That's like a 2 down 23 RT. Ooh, shit, it smells like dead niggas over here. Damn. That shit gonna give my ass a headache. It smells like a dead body over there. And when I be sliding out, y'all be talking about, bro, you need to stay in your lane. You don't have any skill. I'm not purposely trying to stay in my lane when I'm sliding. I mean, I don't be purposely trying to do that. I just be going with the flow and just driving, making content. It really be hard for me to focus because this phone mount, it's like my phone be kind of like in the way of my vision, because it's like if I had a smaller phone, I don't think it'll hang this low, but it's like the mount is actually like in front of my eyes a little bit. So I don't be worried about all that, bro. I'm just trying to have fun and get y'all boy content. But shit, that's gonna really wrap it up for this video. I got a haircut appointment that I need to make it to. So y'all, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, so we can go ahead and get up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 629, so let's go ahead and make that goal happen so I can go ahead and get my wrap as I stated. Also in the comments, talk to me. I respond to my comments. Let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to do. If y'all want to race, if y'all stay in Birmingham, Alabama, y'all want to make some content, let me know. I will fuck with y'all. But shit, that's gonna be it, y'all. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.